Oche people, them. Who am I? Oh, there, yard. Where Nick there? Where am I though? Oh. Dirty boy Nick. Where you take the keyboard from? Is next up back bag? The hard drive mashup? In a laptop? Dirty boy Nick. So what, it crashed? Yeah. I work now, working around it, I'm checking out.
I jerk.
What you have in this one?
Mate, I jerk chicken, man. Don't need you, man.
Some breadfruit spoil again, my lad. I fry me, I go fry the right breadfruit, you know, because you know, go down so easy, you know.
Because you know, roast the breadfruit, it's a roast.
Where the wood fire there?
I don't know.
So when the chef them there with the days, they were there.
Me cook now, man, no worry about me. Planting, we're good, you know. Oh, yeah. Pear and planting? Hey, where my money there? You have money? I could see it. Well, yeah, how much for the pear there?
A shade. Around 60 up.
$60 up? Why not say 60 flat? Why you have to go up?
The guy size here.
Yeah?
Not compare my size, but them I like, yeah, I know we can say 80.
80 for the planting? 1, 2, 80 for the planting? Alright, so I want to get them for. How much for the whole thing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $400? That's $4. Alright, give me that for 300. You see me? 300 that. And you say how much for the pear now?
You can go and put that right, yeah?
Yeah, I know. You say how much you say you start?
Like 70, probably 70.
70 you start, yeah? That's 70 cents. Alright, so give me each of them for 50. That's 50, right? 50. That's a 200, right? Give me something ripe. Give me something ripe.
Ripe on them butter, so on that you right.
Give me something ripe.
That's right, man.
Even the little butter, you say? You right?
Yeah, man. That's right.
Alright, so that's 2 and that's 3, 5, right? No, 4. I was at 4.
Yeah.
And 2, 6.
Alright.
Cool? Alright, cool. Let me come. Yeah? I feel like you're in the car, I don't trust you, you know. I don't know who you is, you know. Just a joke, man. You could be a gunman, bro.
I know what happened, but I know why.
Yes. On the field, on the good. How the car drive? See that? No one for come out. You don't know. See you later. Good Jamaica, good life. So me get them here, right yourself for 400.
I don't know if it's 200.
Yeah.
600 give for them. You one of them?
Yeah.
Wow, I need this one. Money man this one, bro.
From Run up, put my show on how to do things, you know.
No, man. I think I robbery.
No, I should me talk to the man good.
Oh, yeah.
When I stops. That's why dirty people like you can't get nothing done. Where you left the car door open for? When I have nothing at the car, I wonder if the car door open for. Why not left the car door open? Why not left the car door open? Alright. So yesterday them fix the car?
Yeah?
Them fix the car yesterday? No man, I said yesterday them fix it, them finish it. You see Jack up, high up, gangster. So when you drive it, you just...
Yeah, sweet, man.
Oh my God. Make sure you give Nick the car this evening.
Where we go?
Go test it.
Where we go?
Don't worry about that.
Yeah, listen.
You come from once you want to you know there.
Me know.
Oh. This one's the one to that work now again, same compound.
Me know. So, I give Nick some money so I thief my data from my phone.
Yeah, man.
You see me? How much data you thief?
We don't know. We don't take us our data. We don't tell our hotspot I use it.
Yeah, that's cool. I believe in my transfer data to
No,
film.
they're not.
No, man. How do I want to go? How we go?
What do you mean,
No.
how?
Yeah?
I try to fry the right breadfruit to see how something I can come up with, you know.
Like no, everything it works.
No, man.
If me have my Vitamix smooth, I blend it, you know, I blend it and put ginger in it, rice clot and boil it for porridge.
Yo, you better go in this, you know?
Yo, if your breadfruit right, there must be something we can do with it.
Man, kill up yourself.
No, you can't grow science here right now.
You still not cut it,
You
man.
shouldn't put it, you can't grow science here right now. But you're not seeing it there, man. You shouldn't put it, you're starting with the breadfruit, man.
See there?
No, you're starting with the breadfruit. Start with right.
Yeah, me know
We
we
just
start
turn and
roast
poke
it.
it. I'm put pan poke it first.
Pork is wood fire.
You know what I mean, man?
Pork is, yeah.
If you go in and poke it up,
Where do you need first? You want to poke it, put pan wood fire on them, man.
Yeah.
everyone want to go in and poke it.
I want to buy something.
No worries, we're not buying nothing, we're just cast on something come.
I want to get them from. I want to get things for free now. Man,
Are you with it?
I want to get things for
just
free.
cool
I
it.
want to get things for free.
We're not thieving either. I'm gonna buy it.
I want to get things for free.
Yeah.
But look for no big time now.
Don't make a good life.
I gotta make a good
Make a
life.
good life, you know?
I beg, gonna really go beg. Hard begging.
No, I'm not begging either. No. I passed on it, you know, I stop already.
In a nigga, if you get this for free, a man must be hungry today.
Just guy truck and say, yo,
Yo,
want some vet?
you want to know some call Bob already?
The team was ready, you know?
Me tell him say, yo, my people that might come, get 3 cockroach bags, set up the thing. Yeah, me
Sunday morning, so
Sunday morning early, so I say, alright, Saturday we set up the thing.
Nah, if you know. Me and you, Rondie. I'm going to talk to Soldier already.
Soldier say now come.
Yeah.
I'm going to talk to
I
somebody
support.
first.
Yeah, I'm going to talk to somebody really. I'm really person early. So I'm going to this evening. Come and let me teach on.
Want it?
Yeah, man. So I saw you go.
Yeah man, Baba ready for grief.
Go on for the latest fight.
Yeah, I'm gonna get everything ready.
See me?
I don't feel so nervous when I'm looking about shit.
So when you know, so some guy sat there and sat there and
Yeah man, man go you know.
My brother, where you go?
Yep. Then we go
Go
for.
up there and then.
Just...
We'll come out now.
It's a good drive, you know, so make sure no rest up, you know.
We have to come out for that work. I told you I'll come out for that work.
So we want to lift him up there?
Yeah man.
Yeah.
Quick move. Bring up, you know. I don't think it's hot up there like how it's hot up here, you know.
They're not hot, man. They're not plus tax now. Let me listen now.
Which one of them PRI?
You listen to them, man. It's not much of a while now.
The one you're right.
This guy.
The one you're right. So we're warm up some food.
Yeah, man. Can't waste nothing in your house.
I'm sorry, the moment, you know.
You like the sorrel tea?
Yeah, man. Sorry, with ginger.
Can't waste nothing. Nothing can't.
I don't want to daddy.
No, I want Cersei.
Mix with me.
Cersei with bitter.
Big man, it's a good for you already, man. It's good for you already.
Oh, yeah. Put Cersei in the bike. The man up with it. Put that there. Let's put it. Now, really.
Good life for seven. Mango in the morning.
Beautiful.
So remember that, man. Alright.
Yes, sir.
Remember I said, don't get this guy, so remember I said, 4 people.
You tell her?
You're not telling her. That's about time. You just, I should be saying you just can't get a money, you know, monitor.
No. But get your swimsuits at their beach, wear you. Don't put on no poke and no food. They're going to dip in the water with you. Stop your foolishness. No, man. No, when this woman start planting, make them talk.
I'm mad around things, you know.
Make them talk. Like they want a birthday party balloon, next thing they want a balloon.
I just said, we are thinking we shall plan your...
See people?
I'm not sure that.
I have a film for you watching them. Understand it too. No, I'm
What
going
you
to
want?
show you a video with tea, man. When I'm Jamaican, I kill right now, that one now cook, see that done. One tail, that's it. I have a film for you for watch. It's called Farms Overnight. A lot of education I have for you, health-wise.
Money. Rondie,
You can't kill all the people and not everybody else.
you don't know the gospel element.
Hmm?
You don't know the gospel element.
For the man.
No one gospel to you know.
Hmm?
I'm going to take you Rondie. You ever test out 2 tabaccos and play man?
I work now, work, you know much work we do today?
If you drink up water, we flush out the CC sugar in your system.
You ever test out 2 tomatoes and play? See, you have 2 tomatoes and play. Gospel. And the studio one. When you're playing all this music, I'm not
Can't touch that man when you're ready, you know. Hey, but buy some bulla, you know. When girly man is crying on the car when you're driving, I'm hungry. Keep my bulla on the pier until if you shut up. Just slap him with the pier and I head back of the car. And slap him with the bulla. And get a lime and slap him with it, make it smash in the face and make lemonade.
Yeah.
With some sugar.
Yeah.
Bring water for him, you know. Come I don't want to cry, you know. I want to taste with some ice too. We're hungry. 20 minutes to drive, go somewhere, come back. No soldier. We're hungry, we don't eat, I want to pee. Like a little.
I'm puke.
I'm puke.
I'm puke.
Baby, the man you puke, the man pee, and I'm hungry. I'm not even ready to come to Manchester.
You're in Manchester, baby. Yes, you are. Yes, yes, you're ready.
Ready, daddy?
Yo, hey, we make it go drink the tank water and stick. You know what?
We don't want to stick to it, I don't want
Hey,
I'll do it. Mark it up. Rondie.
yeah.
I can't part and do up on
Set
still.
you, come for another.
You really know that. I can't part. I want to send you.
Manchester tank water, danger.
Well, I can't part. I want to send you.
I dump the drink water from Manchester tank water. I just the dumping come there for drink. Hey, one of my brothers come from Manchester. Every man think that my man, you know, come in the hills. I make it a bit by one mosquito bite you, sick.
Yeah, man.
Tank water touch you,
One of them right.
belly hot you. One of them right. One of them.
So,
One already one.
run already?
Yeah, man. But I bring people from Manchester go test you. Drink some water.
I just look up that drink and
Can you find it?
You
stir it
I'm going to use it and the top and drink water out of it.
What you drink?
Spring water, pipe water.
Eh?
Yeah. Well, when I look up that spring water, I used to drink, man. Really, any water, I don't know, you know.
Okay, you have good summer.
Oh. You tell me, I had to sit on, I don't understand, I had to sit on.
And bees bite you up and wasp bite you.
No, it was like that, fever.
You have fever and wasp bite you?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was like.
What about the bees?
The bees are really bad, but I take bees. Bees are just sitting, you know.
Bees good for bite you, man.
No, man, you're bad, man, no.
What do you mean?
No.
Bees build up your immune
No,
system.
you're not my book. What was that, Nick? No, not my book.
Wasp make your
sweat up. Yeah, right?
Yeah, man, I squeeze like.
wasp make your face fat in the mind.
Yeah, but you want 3 bees, yes, when I bees bite in there, though.
Yeah.
And the thing working out.
But a bees will bite you, man.
No, none of them right now. You got bees now, none of them.
So my friend, do a video sent to my friend and tell her, I said, well, I'm going to put the breadfruit in the oven. And she said, I eat that today at Jamaica, put breadfruit in the oven.
You can't put it takes too much gas, that's the difference.
I said to her, the fire on the money, I said $2,000 to poke the people. I said, can you get $500? I said, $2,000.
You can't, but you see too much young woman and she not nobody put up his behind, right? You know, you can't get tired with no.
Oh, okay, sir. I go tell her to get some people on now. When I come back to that purpose, I'm going to move it.
Right, when we go out there, come back and go out there. Waiting for them, not they want to sit down. I'm just trying to make a year one, I'm so but no, I'm late. See what that? Can't have this shot, the wheels. But some go want something to say, you ever set it up? I'm going to jump over there.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, anyways, man.
I'm Mr. She's business, you know. So certain things, you understand, you put that everything.
Yeah.
Certain things for Mr. She's business, but when they make tripping, I say, oh, that's happening.
No.
I move.
Yeah.
Rondie,
Yes, sir.
I'm going to return back to the tank, and I'm getting back to the still in the frame. You hear me say? You still don't know where to come here. Look what Betsy dumping there. See Betsy back there. Look at my dumping there. Put it.
Betsy, go and find out if
Look at dumping there.
you fit enough for Manchester.
I'm wrong there, Anytime, make me tell you about something.
Hey, make sure we have enough light and wisdom for soldier, you know. Because I'm a baby. You know, like hang on with baby man, you know.
No, in the part, the Rondie just want to know where I live. For all my time, we just want, you understand?
On Thursday, we can jump on over me at gates. Wednesday, I go Lucy. I walk there. Alright, so we can rest up and over there.
That's tomorrow.
Tomorrow. And then now, Thursday, we want to see what the dirty boy so to live. See when making cook for we.
Yeah.
You see? And Friday we have to chill out and I take them to dinner and travel and breakfast and something. See me? Today we want to look at beach one, at least more than drop time on the beach and make the van myself, whatever. But we need some beach time, yeah?
Where you want to be today?
Yeah, I have to
We
go.
can't swing at the beach or done now. We're done at the rocking now.
It's all a porky and pork. Yeah.
Yeah, we can rocking now beach. I didn't know.
Eh?
I didn't know. That's why I didn't know.
Where you do this up?
That none is that. But the half can go.
I only went soldier.
No, we can do.
I only went soldier there and Nick up there about cooking, you know.
Come on, that's right. I'm going to put that
Yeah?
Yeah.
Into a lazy man. Like you have the most starting about things like that.
Can't,
So me have come in the car now. So me just see Soji in the car and say the Soji say, yo. We come out everything in and cook and stuff. I say, no problem man, you have to cook in and you have to eat, you know. So you must roll or something.
Definitely a reality show.
You want to
You say your hand.
hand dirty.
You say your hand dirty.
So what and smoke but you hand dirty. Lazy man.
Mine clean man. Mine band clean up. Me have to wash mine.
Lazy man. I like lazy people.
So much dump in that one.
Room service.
You don't mind the whole of it.
I like lazy people. If you want me here, you
No, let's we have work together, man. I said it.
Let's go see, we're going to check him, a real movie, you know, a real good life. I cook sip. No meat. So I buy a pot.
Where buy pot for?
Cause them say you pot them the little. Well, bring it to country.
Even with a car. I need your attention. Because tomorrow Friday time I run out.
Tell me run out, Nicholas. Help her out. I have the keyboard and the laptop in there. And
Right now, you can't type it on me.
you have Wi-Fi.
You can't type it on
Me I cook, you know. You see me I cook.
You can't type it on
You
me.
see,
It's sticky for me. I can't manage it.
so what happened? You write it already?
I have a lot of something to do.
Alright, you
I
write
have
it?
tests that you let me know.
Alright, you write it?
That's the project.
So what you need help with?
You have to go to for research.
Nicholas, get the laptop in the room and have the keyboard. Let's get to work. I'm cooking.
Because I'm foolishly. How much time is that?
Yeah, Nicholas, it's a team effort. Nicholas, I try to get to Mexico. You must try to get to Mexico. Yeah. You have to help.
Leeds Plaza,
What's your name?
NYC. Oh, game collection.
Alright, here what you do. Go to Amazon and search for Xbox 120.
Hold on. Look at them people. May I use some there. I believe you said this is the like games. You know what? You watch it. And the game, the mother link with working on the one. But I want to run some brand.
Are there any game center around here?
Hello, good afternoon. Actually, I'm calling about like Xbox 360. That one. Yeah, Xbox 360.
Come on, man.
You don't even say, alright. Look here, nobody will come to me.
Good evening, Mr. Clark. Are you okay? Mr. Clark, are you okay?
You have a power. You have a power here. Joke. It's the money I cooked in tomorrow.
Someone put in a cook just tomorrow.
The man I cook man out in a morning.
The stove bread not ready now.
But I don't cook my pot milk, man.
Yo, the stove not ready, man. Yes.
He said, man, I don't cook your pot milk. Every all you have gas milk.
Hey, which one is stove high? I'm fired. Which one is stove good? Which one is it?
The new one you go buy. This one that was better one better.
Eh? Nicholas, try sabotage between you to the second one. We say everybody has sabotage.
That I wanted to me, that I wanted bone hair, I know.
Everybody has tried sabotage between you by your own man.
Oh no.
Get information.
No, we can't work in there, so you have to come in our room. Yes, so we can't sit down here, so.
You feel all my head feel like you have to be there anymore.
Come, screw on your head, please, and hands.
Can't leave you.
But I appreciate it, you know. Rondie, I use it. So come.
Don't tell me Xbox
They
phone.
come like me don't want kind of work, man. Me say, miss, me have to leave 4 o'clock, please, and thanks. Can't stay till 5.
Nicholas, everybody has sabotage my thing. That's one I'm very good.
That one burn better, I did burn the best.
Gee.
Alright, here we go. Wood outside. God like the fire.
Sorry.
There it is. This is called Sip. Rastaman tell me to deal with it. So I'm going to put the okra, right, and the callaloo last with the thyme. So now I have to make this bubble. Coconut, yonkin, mashed potato, and then I'll put the peas in it later. Right, I'll just make it bubble. I'll make it bubble for a while now. I will put some banana, sliced banana in it. So we'll do that. Alright?
But come for work and I said, Rondie, no Rondie.
Nick, what did that say?
Wanna have a day?
What,
We
you
have
know
to come in
this?
there, so.
So come with here.
Yeah,
We'll get to the laptop here. You have my Wi-Fi. Let's do this. You gotta help. You have to help her with her schoolwork, Nick. You can't be selfish with no Xbox today, okay? Wait for the Xbox and hot him, you know. Help her with your schoolwork, Nick. You gotta be a good team player. I told you before. Everything. The whole world I can see, you know. Help her, Nick. Help her. She worked all day. And all day you want to play Xbox. You want to convert 220, 240. Go get the laptop, Nick, and then go get the keyboard. And help.
We have put this in there.
You wanna put this over
You
there?
want it or something?
Give me. Put it in my room. Help her, Nick. You have to take your mind off the game. Theater. All right, Nick. Don't be selfish with the Xbox. Help Nadisha.
Rondie.
Do you want the fan to keep you cool?
Yes.
Don't play no music like that. The boy Nick na Hannah brain. That's why I'm a chef. I can do a cut up yam. All right, my peoples. See, this is a beautiful. This is such a lovely sip. Look at that bubblicious pot right there. The coloring is based off the different variation of food. And over here we have the peas cooked in a separate pot so that it doesn't burn at the bottom. Right? We have carrots and everything. Now, right over here we have a callaloo and okra we're gonna put in right after the peas. None of them ever taste nothing like this. Rondie's a super duper chef. Yeah. So there is this sip. It's bubbling nicely, thanks to my Rasta brethren. Now we're gonna put the soup, the peas in it, alright? Good. Let's try to put the peas in it. Let's see how this works. There we go. Just pour off some of the peas water. Alright. There is a green hill far away. See there? Man, so none of them never cooked this before. Oh, so lovely. All right. Who left the grill open? Somebody can jump the gate, you know? It is lock. Alright, so we'll put the peas in it. Now we're going to go through the, put the okra in it yet. So the peas in it, now we're going to stir that up. Stir it up. And then we're going to cut up the skeleton. And we're going to slice some plantain at the end to give it that sweet touch. Stir it up. See there? Nobody know Carl said I'm gonna cook today. There's no contention in the cooking of food today because I'm in control. Nobody know Quarrel. Soup I'm gonna cook with that now.